Good job for teaching him like that, mommy. Proud of you. Okay, we're going now. We have to stop by in Walmart. I forgot the um, lip balm. Hello. Looks like going to rain.
I'll let Taekwondo help me a newbie. I'll let Taekwondo help me a new guy. No. No, I'm on the way to my second house, so I don't even have my computer. Well, we're going there. I have my phone on me. You want to play Brawl Stars?
Oh.
I know.
That's
I watched
fast.
something. I watched that one black guy saying, if there's nothing new to do on Roblox, Doors is racing floor 2. No problem. My second house has a PC that doesn't even make sound.
You let Cody tomorrow to fix that.
Also, by the way, tomorrow I'm not gonna get to play really much because Labor Day.
Oh, not tomorrow. That's on. Oh, yeah. Tomorrow you have to ask Cody to fix your PC.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
For the.
I mean, if I get my Roblox on my phone, that has sound, I guess we can speak on Doors.
You have to ask him how to fix that to have a voice. I don't know. I will try it. Hello, how are you? You still in the Philippines? Sorry, I'm not always on live. I only live when I have time. I'm on my way goes to our other house, so I don't. You are here in the US now. Our place is very hot this time. We got 102 degrees here.
I'm spectating.
It's too hot. I can't wait na babalik na sa middle. You know, like not warm or not hot, not cold, in the middle. I like that. Thank you for stopping by. I wish I can stopping by when you're going live too. I'm so busy at this time because my son have a lot of activities. He joined again another tournament. So every day we have him to put it on the training to hit the tournaments again. This is the second tournament on this seasons for him, and then the next tournament is
Where is this guy?
this next month.
It's too tanky.
So
No, it's Frank. It's Big Fred. It's the Frank.
init diha. So alam mo na, di ba, magkano mag Tagalog.
They need to give
Oh,
Frank
Bisaya,
a
di ay
lesson.
Bisaya.
Too tanky.
Davao, Mindanao area is Bisaya. Yeah, this is an highway, interstate. So it's not that traffic now because it's already night time.
Wait,
It's already 7:17 here.
you get him! Yeah, I'm carrying.
Yeah, Bukidnon is Bisaya, di ba? Hikaya. Bisaya na.
Not. How? How?
Pasensya na.
How? I think I quit. Okay, that Maddie stole
Padulong
my
ko
kills.
sa pikas balay na
She
mo.
stole all my kills.
So,
No, not Mandy. My bad.
I'm driving too
Jesse.
fast.
Mandy's electro balls. Big front of them.
I'm so glad no traffic this time, JJ.
No.
Okay lang. Ito nga, busy lagi. Pero may busy, oy.
I know, they might. I wonder what the tractor trip's gonna be. I need to get into level 11 ASAP.
Pero may busy. Daghan kay activity ako, anak. Salamat. Salamat sa pag-stop by. I'm so amazed you know how to speak our language. Congrats about that. Some American people can't even speak our language.
Okay, we met. Right? Mint. More mint. It's more mint. Many mints. Many mints. Many mints.
Salamat, friend. Thank you.
Bro, how do I win that? It's impossible.
I never tried to drive in our area. Yeah, in my province, I can drive it, but in the city, I'm scared to drive because most of the driver there was very careless,
I need
and
to ban Frank. They need to ban Frank so bad.
it's just like they're not believing stoplight or stop sign or anything. So I'm scared to drive in Cebu City, especially in Cebu, because it's very crowded at this time. So I decide not to. Hello, sir.
Bro,
I'm decided not to drive in the city, but I can drive in the province. In our province, I was driving there. But in the city, I don't want to drive in the city. I'm scared. Thank Thank you for stopping by. Hi, Sir Kiss. How is the Philippines? I miss the Philippines though. I wish this one, the Philippines and here you can drive. Maybe I'm even 2 days drive. Maybe I can keep on driving like that, but it's flying and very expensive pair of airfare. I can't even almost afford.
I'm being sandy for a reason, bro. Of course the actors come out. Actor team. Sounds like a you problem. Bro. Shelly's solo. Scouting. Healing the area. Got him. Bro. No, that axe. For real though. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Kumusta? Kumusta po?
Bro, how?
Thank you for stopping by, mga guys. Galing ako sa practice ng anak ko, so
No, at this point, I'm gonna change my sandy gadget.
hindi sir, dito pa
I
rin.
can see them in my super.
Papunta ako sa sa kabilang bahay ba?
Big brain, big brain. Car.
What? Papunta ako sa kabilang bahay.
Sounds like a skill issue for you.
Okay lang, busy lagi. Busy kasi yung anak ko, ang daming activity.
My super doesn't
Kakagaling nga lang namin, kakatapos lang din namin sa niya, sa training. Kasi may na naman, tournament na naman siya this month, end of this month. So may tournament na naman siya. So every day namin siya sa training kasi last time nag-join siya ng tournament, second placer siya, nakakuha siya ng 4 na medalya. Yeah, I'm proud of him. But this time we don't know yet if he can get any medals, because this is the hard moves that he's going to join it. So that's why we're trying to put him on the training. I hope he can do better.
Wait, can I tell you something?
So, but we are so busy all the time. We have a lot of going on. Salamat amigo.
No.
Yeah. 4 na medal, second place siya. 4 yung nakuha niyang medalya. So, tapos bago lang siya sa yung
Oh wait, no, I should've
gear
used,
up
wait, I
niya
should've
na
used
yung
slow.
mag-sparring, mag-match up, yung
quick
mga
fire
moves
would've
niya
been
with weapons. Bago lang siya dyan. So hindi namin akalain na gusto niyang sumalang sa tournament at the time. Sabi namin, oh my gosh, makaano kaya to, kasi lang siya before the tournament, 2 weeks lang siya nagkaroon ng bag, yung weapon set. Tapos hindi namin akalain eager siyang mag-join talaga sa eager siyang mag-join sa tournament na with weapons na. So sabi namin, kung hindi ka man manalo, make sure na hindi ka iiyak kasi syempre mga bata, pag walang makuhang medalya, gaya nung unang yung friend niya umiiyak kasi walang nakuha. So inanuhan namin siya na pag wala kang makuhang medalya, kung matalo ka man, it's okay, at least that's your experience, and you can do better than next time. So ayun, pero sa awa ng Diyos, ang dami, ang 4 yung nakuha niyang medalya. Sabi, I'm so proud. Sabi niya, isa lang isa lang daw ang inaano niya, pero naging 4. So proud na daw siya.
Yo, Frank's almost dead. Nice.
Kaya thank you. Ngayon nga may na naman siya, nga may this coming end of the month, may tournament na naman siya, kaya super busy. Wala na akong halos mag live nga, maka-live lang ako ngayon kasi on way kami sa Salamat sir. Ngayon nag-practice siya kasi open mat nila. May bagong bata doon na sumali. Siya yung pinaturo o tinuturuan niya kamo. Ang galing nga. Parang true. Sabi ko, good job. Tinuruan niya yung bagong bagong nag-join ng ng taekwondo.
His brother's not available in rank. He says there's no ranks.
Sana nga magpatuloy. Marami pang hindi kasi lalo na yung bago pa lang kasi siya nag-join dito, so wala pang year, ilang bulan pa, ilang months pa lang, pero nakakuha na siya ng ng medal, so that's good. Kaya sabi ko, next time, sabi ng coach nila, hindi every mananalo, kasi mayroong manalo, mayroong hindi, mayroong matalo, so okay lang, at least may experience ka na for the next time. Sabi ko sa kanya, kung sasalang ka man sa next tournament, make sure na be sports lang talaga, kasi hindi lahat ng panahon ikaw ang mananalo.
I hit the kill, but he took it. Still got star player.
Minsan manalo, matalo, so
What do I carry?
accept it. Marami pang dapat anuhin niya, pa-practice it, kasi yellow belt pa lang siya. Tapos I don't know, next time maybe stripe na, may yellow and stripe yung makuha niyang belt. So sasalang siya ng sasalang na ulit siya sa tournament. Ay JJ, what belt you're gonna have next time after the testing?
Black stripe, I think.
Oh, yellow with black stripe?
I think.
Yeah, yellow with black stripe, he said. Wala akong alam dyan.
I haven't used this guy in a long time, but he's very fun to play. He's mid-skill too. Very fun to play.
Pero we're trying to put him on the right direction.
I like him. He's fun to play, but just people hate on him for absolutely zero reasons. He's mid-skill. He's pretty good, and so sometimes it's actually pretty hard to get up close to him. You know, especially Kim. Yes, thank you. I got it.
Salamat sa inyo ha, sa pag-stop by.
Come on.
Thank you very much
What were
guys.
you doing?
appreciate
Bloody
it.
raw.
Ang daming sasakyan.
Bloody raw. I'm gonna dash up in there. Let me see my first target.
Uy boy, coba kulap mama.
I'm dead.
Jacob.
I got stunned. Yo, he's low. Get him. Revive me. Revive me.
Gabi na. It's 7:30. What time?
Yeah.
Papunta
let's just say
kami sa
I'm
kabilang
trying to-
bahay. So, kasi
Yeah, we are.
holiday.
Chat. Can I tell you something? I've been using more skilled brawlers. I haven't used Fang in so long. No wonder I'm terrible with him now. They need to give Eva hypercharge. Too mean overrated. She's so underrated. So good.
I searched up Eva Brawl Stars and there's like no budget. It's just a bunch of sims. It's just a bunch of sims.
Nah, she's too good, chat. Look at this.
Hold on, they have a team. Hold on.
I want to see him. Sure, we can team. I'll take a free win. Underrated.
Underrated search song.
Yeah, that's so true. It's all It's all
Slow down. He's slow and special.
Get him, babies. Yeah, Eva's so underrated. See, I just stole your kill. My baby's dead. My sweet little babies. Aren't they adorable? Yes. That sword has hypercharge. Oh my god! Oh, shiver me timbers. Bro, baby. Baby power.
Where's that search?
I'm already back trying to help. Oh my lord, there's so much stuff here. I'm trying to stun. Bro, no, not my egg! He got rid of my eggs! My adorbs! I'm trying to get rid of that. Better? Eva's so underrated. Got him, baby. Got him. Yeah.
Right here.
Trust. Don't trust. Trust.
So this is
Here, you take it. You got this. You take it from here now. You're dead, aren't you? My internet. No.
It's over on their side. Be careful. Is that right now?
Yeah, I'm back. I just got my internet down. Babies. Please get hit. Please. Not Eva's underrated. Not gonna lie. See how powerful she is? See my power?
Right here.
My power to the Bowers, Francie. My power to the Bowers is underrated. No! Come on, just let. Why would you pass that? Okay. Babies. No, babies.
No!
Okay.
Keep it a draw at least. Come on, please.
Got him. How did the big game hatch a baby? Baby. Thank you. Save me. More babies. Okay, look. I did better than you. You died 9 times, got 5 kills. I got 7 kills and died 5 times. He was underrated. Underrated. I did better than Surge in Guess. He died 2 times more than me for only 1 more kill. He was underrated. Underrated. I love it. Every day I'm traveling.
That video was what, 2013?
No, it wasn't 2013. It was like 2019.
It died so long ago. I bring it back.
Keep it alive. I love it. To be honest,
I'm gonna put gas, boy.
Okay, I thought that was 2022 or 2023 to be honest.
Are you
Like,
cold?
No.
No?
Because to be honest, back then, when I heard the song, it was about a chicken nugget. You guys know that one. To be honest, I thought it was.
I can't do it. Come on. You guys need to smoke without me.
Why?
I have a level 11.
Babies. That's all I gotta say. Hey. Oh my god, I just wasted the tick head. Pass. Oh my god, Eve is so underrated.
Come back to base. Come back to base.
Nah, we win. No, we didn't. I defended him. Here's him. He was so underrated and so good. Coded. Absolutely. Absolutely good. What are you doing? Are you slipping and sliding on the ice? Score already. Keep it alive. No, wait. We're ahead. Don't worry. Tech, you're dead. Goodbye, Tech.
No, let them score. Let them score. Let them score. Let them score.
No. I'm just gonna place more babies. Attack that. Keep my egg alive. Yes. Go get him. Go get him. I'm lagging. Oh, he's still in. Nah, if I don't get star player, this might be rigged. I did more damage than him, more takedowns than him. How? No, tell me how. More damage, 1 more death. I did more damage, more kills, and only 1 more death. How? How did... Okay, no, why would you pick El Primo? Frank is so much more tankier than El Primo. I totally meant to pick Frank. Totally. Oh, we're good.
I'm gonna put gas,
Frank is
mama.
more tankier than El Primo, by the way.
I have to run to Walmart too. JJ,
Yes, Mom?
I'm going to the Walmart.
Should I stay in here? It's not a masterpiece. I mean, it's not a mistake, it's a masterpiece. Skin is not a mistake, it's a masterpiece. Yeah, yoink.
Pass to me.
Skin is not a mistake, it's a masterpiece.
Slide to the left. Slide to the right.
No, forget it. I didn't even get to use my super. I died before. No, why didn't you? You could have used your super and scored. You could have won that. Yo, I'm lagging again.
That's. Oh, so you don't have to.
Not anymore. Now I do. Give me a second. Let me just.
I'm saying.
No, you're not. I was at 300 HP. Yeah, I was at 300. 300.
Okay.
Goodbye. Where are you going? I find you. Oh my god. I'm Sans. I'm Sans. I'm Sans. I'm dead.
Oh, hell no.
Oh my god.
I was in the wrong side.
God. What?
Shula, shula, shula,
I'm just gonna break some stuff.
shula, shula. I'm in the wrong side.
Yeah, with no scores. Absolutely zero. This is the longest game ever. I'm just gonna break this one. Yeah,
I
it's
don't
probably gonna be a
know
tie.
how who got there.
Or not. Nah, did she really just mess the ball? Oh, she got it. Bush camper? Yeah, you are a bush
Okay.
camper.
Yeah. What?
There's a bush camper in here.
Okay.
Look at that guy's name. Look at the one guy's name is Bush Camper.
I can't do that.
Isaac. Who's Isaac? By the way, our teammate looks like a bot. Check our teammate.
Why they're always having the different
Oh, wait, can I tell you something? Our
side?
guy is an NPC. He only has 9,000 trophies. Diamond 1. His favorite brother, Shelly, has a basic thing. 30. No, I'm talking about our teammate, Hunter. No, he's an absolute NPC on my screen. On mine, it says he has 9,000 trophies. Get ready up. Ready up.
Come on.
I hit him with the emote again. Oh! Oh my god. You know what brawler I'm gonna pick? Huh? What?
Hold on, Mama. I'm going to.
Overrated.
Underrated. You see how good I am with her? I dominate. I'll beat you in a 1v1. Even if you're using Egder, I'll beat you. Yeah, I would. Even if you're using Egder. Because I'm better. I'm stronger. It's pretty obvious. Whoa, dodge. Whoa there, mister. You suck. Yes, it is. He was so low, you could have killed him any second. It's your fault. It will be your fault. It will be your fault. It will be your fault. Hack. When you hack in Undertales, it will be your fault.
Hold on. I'll just put some gas.
Poseidon. Poseidon.
I have to go to Walmart, mommy. You want to go with me? Huh?
Huh?
You want to go with
No,
me?
thank you.
Don't open the car. Understand? I'm gonna leave my phone
Please,
too.
please, pick up the
I
egg, not the ball.
don't see anybody. Let's go back.
I carried what? 0 kills. Wait, let me check that battle log again.
You can charge your phone, boy.
Oh, yo, this guy, this Buzz on our team is an NPC.
Says this is you.
Bro, just ready up. Just ready up.
Oh, yeah. No, I need to do a shout out.
Oh, you want me to? Okay.
Oh, no, I thought you were good at the game. I thought you were good at the game. Easy, 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 easy.
Bet you want me on? I'll beat you. I'll beat you. Don't worry.
I ain't quit that shit.
Nah, you want a weapon? I'll beat you. Down. I'll beat you. I'll beat you any day of the week. Okay, you know where that Cordelia is.
I only have. I really need. I need to hold on, let me. Should I shoot? I think I might have to use my.
For what?
Oh, let me use Chuck.
For what?
I need to do my quest. Can you help me or no?
Wait, what? Wait, what is this? What is this? Oh my god. This game is W. You want me to tell you what they're adding? They're adding Trio Showdown.
Oh yeah, you didn't know?
No.
Bro, watch Brawl Talk.
I don't watch it. I watch it on YouTube, not TikTok.
No, Brawl Talk.
Yeah, I watch it.
Yeah, it's on YouTube. BRAW.
I couldn't find it this season. I couldn't find it, okay? Don't bully me. Why do you bully me?
These are different maps. Should we test them? Should we see what the maps look like?
What, you want to 1v?
Let me see each new hypercharge characters you got.
I'm gonna use Mo.
Of course you're gonna use Mo, because he's on it. Alright. My name is Black
My name is Mo. Oh, and I go squeak, squeak, squeak. I just thought about it. My mom left me in the middle of a gas station. I'm in the middle of a gas station. Grow power cubes to get stronger. Oh my god, I never knew that you could do that. Never knew I could do that. Yo, where you at? I want to fight you. The real bot. Bro, why is this sprout so good? He's shredding things. Beat you. Beat you. Yes. Get him, bot. Yes. My bot sucks in PvP. More power cubes.
Have to run
More
quick to
strength.
the Walmart GG, okay? Hey, boy,
Yes.
I'm going to run quickly.
How
on
does
the-
he not get stunned? Okay, I heard you, mom, though.
You got destroyed by a bot, chat.
Not bad. What are you doing?
Bot.
No, it's not my fault that I thought my gadget stuns. Wait, let me read my gadget. Yeah, it says stuns. Oh, wait, no, it says short. I should not have done that. I would have won.
Did you hear the end of Rock is
Wait, let me see.
Okay, Gija,
Yes.
don't open any
Okay.
the door. I'm going to run quick. I'm gonna leave my phone here.
Okay. Wait, why did I get beach rock? Why do I have beach rock?
Hey, don't open the door. You understand?
Okay.
You're gonna beat.
You won't beat me. I'm too strong. Also, by the way, don't.
Doors 4 too. Bro, I want to play Doors 4 too.
But by the way, don't. By the way, that icon you have on your player icon, isn't that the Rico final boss skin?
No.
Yeah, it is. It's his eye.
It's not. His eye is the red one.
Yeah, it's the red one. Yeah, that one.
I don't have the red one.
You have to get down. Nobody can see you.
Okay, so you're gonna come.
Where are
Here, how would I just like lay
Hold
down?
on.
Get down. My mom's telling me to do something right now. So, playing against the NPC.
Okay. Sit down.
Playing against an NPC. Are you winning or losing? Okay, I'm back. I just got back in. What happened? Did I win?
No, you lost.
Oh, a bot. You were playing against a bot.
Easy still.
Bro, a bot? Of course a bot's gonna be easy. It's a bot. No, did you say easy?
Hey, I'm going to park down here.
Can I get more comfortable, Mom? I don't feel comfortable.
I'm gonna park
It's
there.
so uncomfortable down there. Can I get in the front?
You can't. Somebody gonna see you.
No, in the front, and then I crouch down, so I feel more comfortable. Because it's so small.
It's okay. Don't let the thing then.
Give me a second. Let me switch. I'm gonna beat you. Don't worry. I think I know exactly how to beat you. I'm gonna beat you.
Kyle versus Chad.
You're a teenager. Leon's a teenager. No, they're not.
Be gone from this place.
No. I think I'll take this box from you, if you don't mind. Yeah, run. Crap. I'm lagging. Still beating you.
Hey, mommy.
Yes.
I'm going to park here. I'm gonna quick.
Okay. Where are you going, buddy?
God, you're tanky. This is what I gotta deal with.
Yep. Oh my god, I'm so low. Wait, my phone's almost dead too. Uh-oh. I have to charge it so bad.
Lol.
I need to charge my phone. I cannot see my phone like this. Yeah, because I'm trying to charge my phone, chat. Okay, do you actually want me to start trying? You actually want me to start trying? Bet I'm trying. Bet. Oh my god, I forgot my mom turned the car off, so I don't have any power. My phone's gonna die. Isn't that amazing? I hope you mean that. I hope you know. That means I leave the call. Hope you know. That means I leave the call and then.
Okay.
Oh no.
Look. Oh, Bubbles is still playing Roblox.
Probably addicted.
He's been playing it for 1 day.
Just ready up very quickly. What?
Okay, it's time to actually go try it.
No, I doing.
Your gold rank doesn't scare me. I was diamond.
I was also diamond. Does bro think he's special?
I was master.
No, you were not. I think I have all the cubes I need.
You got all the kids on you?
Sure, that works.
My name's Quagmire. I got the
Also, if you're Mortis, I can just float on water. Where are you?
I am literally him. Oh, you why did you do so much damage? Why did you do so much damage?
Why do you do so much damage? Oh my god, I'm lagging so bad.
Shots, kid. It's your shot.
I'm lagging! Lagging so hard right now. Bro, I'm lagging. What happened? I'm stuck. Did my phone die?
I won again.
Did my phone die or something? Uh-oh. Up,
No,
yep.
you're alive.
Up,
You're
yep.
still
It just, up, yep. Can you turn on the car? My phone's almost dead.
Okay, hold on.
I tried the last of us I can.
What was that? No. Thank you. Okay, we are on the road again. Did you see that? Oh, that's the closest. Okay. We have full gas, and then gosh, we have a lot of food. I buy the popcorn chicken. You what? You don't want?
What?
You said you don't want?
No.
But they want. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. That's why I don't like this area here. This is very hard to. Oh, that's a nice one. I have a lot of things to unload. Your friend was out? Huh?
What?
Your friend was out? You're done talking?
No.
Is he still there?
No.
So what happened?
I just loaded my phone died because I was about to die, so I didn't want to waste my battery.
I thought you guys. I told you you have to charge your phone all the time. You've been talking your phone. Well, the car was still running. You must have charged your phone.
Oh no, I didn't know it was gonna be that way.
You know it. You've been talking since then.
Okay, I guess that's true.
When you come home from school, you've been on your phone
Not that much.
playing music and something.
I'm just playing Brawl Stars.
You want to ride jet ski tomorrow with me? With me.
I don't like it. How about we go boating in Tubi?
Yeah, I don't know if he wants that. Remember Cody said he don't want any more tubing? I don't know if I hope they're gonna bring another thing. I'll convince Cody. Our daddy said we're going to boat, so I don't know. He's gonna buy gas tomorrow. But the Labor Day is on Monday, right?
Oh, they're just coming over for the weekend too.
But you have school on Tuesday, right? It's not an I have to read the email. It's not late start.
Yeah, it is.
It's late start.
That's what the t-shirts are.
I forgot to get your book. Did not see your book. I was following this car. I was so slow.
Okay, bad.
40 miles per hour. They drive 30 miles per hour. Daddy was playing poker, boy.
I know. Thing I'm asking is he doing good and is he okay? Because he had to go to the doctor.
Did you call?
No.
When he's playing some cards, don't disturb him. You don't want that. Why this area here always out of I have always no signal out of reach. It's already 8 o'clock. It's already 8 o'clock. What did you play, Boboy? Huh? Don't. Yeah. I don't mind. I have my headset. It's gonna make me slower. Slower. I'm so hungry.
I am, but I don't need to eat.
You can eat some pure chicken. I'm gonna cook some potato tarts. Oh, what's that? Huh? Yeah. You what? You don't want that? You want just eat and then just few. Don't eat too much. Not like before. I'm so hungry. I wish we have something to eat. You want some chips, Mama? You know, when I'm hungry, I keep on yawning. I was in a hurry because I'm scared that somebody knocked the door and knock the window and then wants you to open. If you are in the car, somebody knocking the window for you to open, don't ever do that. That's the same in the house. Somebody is knocking ringing the bell, and only nobody's you don't know if we are in the back and only you in the you don't know anything about that person. Don't ever open it. That's why there's a lot of happening, that kidnapping and thing, because they don't know. The kids just go with the person that they don't know. Do you know the news that in the school somebody pick up the kids and the teacher allow somebody to let the kids go because she said and she can't recognize the faces of the person who pick up the kids. When the mother goes there, or when the parents goes there to pick up the kids, she already say somebody already pick up your kids. That's not you know, if you have the authorized that you need to must to know the name, like on the USJ, we turn over the papers that we sign and the number, and to let them know that that person, if just in case we can pick you up, they are allowed to pick it up. And then there is a number of the on the thing also for the car. That's why Cody, because Cody is very responsible to pick you up all the time if we can't make it. So Cody, Daddy put Cody's contact information there. And the teacher is not supposed to, you know, put you somebody gonna say, I'm going to pick up Jacob because his mom told me to pick him up. No, that's the, especially you don't know the name and how you related, something like that, and it's not. That's the big no-no. But if they have the sign on the car like this, they knows that that person is authorized to pick you up. Daddy said, how did Jacob do? I can answer. Call him. You call it?
Hey, Dad. Mom said you texted, and how did I do? Did you text? How did I do?
I was driving.
Mom is on live and she's driving. You saw the poker game?
Tell Daddy I buy an chicken nuggets and
Mom bought chicken nuggets and tater tots.
and potato French fries.
Okay. I love you. What are those red dots on the ceiling?
Where? What did that? Oh, it shows up. It's here.
Oh,
I do not know.
I thought there was like a snipers pointing at us. I was like, what are those red dots? Why are there so many of them?
It's me?
Yes.
Oh, I do not know. I thought it's not working.
I was gonna say, is there someone watching us and shoot us? We're gonna blow our car?
You're silly. I do not know.
Some snipers release red lights, so I just saw tons of red lights. I was like, what are those red dots? Are those snipers?
Uh-oh.
K band.
This is the 30 only. We are in the Parsons. I have to go to the next week. I have to go to the acupuncture. Mommy,
Yeah.
maybe you want to go too. You always have hurting your knee, right?
Where's the acupuncture?
The one that they poke some needles on your skin,
I'm okay.
like what Daddy have. He
I'm
feel better. He said. He said he feel okay. So his other session he gave it to me. So I have to, you know. On the part of Daddy's part, I am the one who finished it. We'll see how it works.
Okay, I'll pass.
You don't want that?
I think I'd rather let it be sore and get through the pain.
Soon when you're grown, you're gonna like that. We'll see. I did not know yet, but Daddy said he's
Mr. Rivera say pain is temporary, quitting is forever.
yeah, but you must always
So I'll take the pain.
be careful your pain because sometimes pain is getting worse and if totally worsen and it's hard to get healed. You struggle. So pain is okay. We are always have pain anyway, but we have to watch out what pain we got. Heart pain. Headache. Love you, boy. I'm proud of you today. The boy, why that boy is always shaking his hand and then he wants to box, punching very faster.
Because he did boxing.
He did?
Yeah.
Oh, so he knows it.
Yeah, I told him that's good that he has experience already some fighting.
So he already did the boxing?
He did boxing, but not taekwondo.
What I mean, he already goes to the boxing.
Yeah, so he knows how to punch, but he doesn't know how to
Oh.
knife hand, back fist, rich hand, front kick, side kick.
So that's why he can punch very strong.
Yeah, because he did boxing.
Why the boxing is different?
Yeah, boxing is all punching.
That's why he's always shake his hand. He was ready to box. He was ready to punch.
His hands, because he keeps on punching, and there's like a center part on that one,
Mm.
and it hurts. There's like a hard spot. The
Oh, really?
Yeah, that middle one, the tall one that we did, it was like a hard spot. I do something there. That's why.
But you've been in what is that, judo? So you are experienced also the time, but you're not focused on that time. You're not.
Because it was really boring.
You don't want to paying attention. But this time we are proud of you.
Taekwondo was really boring, not interesting.
Taekwondo or
I mean, no. Judo, sorry. I was gonna say, Taekwondo is interesting. I like it.
but on judo they're letting you also join the tournament, but you don't want it.
Yeah.
Maybe when you try to go to tournament and you fight with the other opponent, maybe, but we'll see when you grow.
I mean, about judo, they don't let you get gear. That's another problem.
They don't have it.
No, they don't let you get gear.
When you go to tournament, you don't have it.
No one has ever used gear in judo.
But they're not going to punching you, right?
Oh yes, they
They
probably won't, but they're gonna sweep me on the ground and pin me.
But that's good also for your to make you strong.
I didn't like judo.
So you're not planning to do it again when you're grown?
I might go back one day
Yeah.
and see what my coaches are up to.
I'm pretty sure you're still there.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm a black belt, which will be in 3 years.
You are an orange belt there, right? Are you an orange belt? Yellow. Oh, orange. A orange stripe. You know my live is still on. I'm so glad it's still. Oh,
KA band.
there's a police here. But on the bridge, that one that's out of service. That one's gonna off. That come back. Wow. While in Jackson is no rain at all. Them a little. Oh my God, you have to eat, boy. You're gonna get sick. I don't want you to get sick.
No, thank
You have to eat a little bit.
No, thank you.
Oh my God, what happened to here? It's all vanished. What's so dear? Hmm. We're home. So it's raining here. Rain, rain, rain. Oh my gosh. Ow, 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 ow. There's somebody. We are here. Hold on. Bye bye guys. Thank you. I'm going to get all my stuff.